I'm Dr. Sandra Romano Anthony, a Caribbean woman from Trinidad, Guyana, and Jamaica. Many of our youth in York West come from families who immigrated to Canada from those countries. I know your culture, I know the immigrant experience, and I want to tell you that you have a lot of power in your vote. You have the power to change things in York West, and you need to work with someone who will work with you to make positive changes that will affect your life and improve the quality of your life and that of your families. So please do come out and vote on January 23rd or before in the advance polls and vote for me, Sandra Romano Anthony, because I am here to work with you and to fight for you in Ottawa. Thank you very much and have a wonderful holiday. All the best in the new year.